Now this illustration deals with adjustable trip circuit breakers and what are the requirements to consider them guarded in accordance with 240.6 B as in boy and C as in car. Now first of all, let's review the NEC loop with suggested sections for you to read to get more of a case study of this problem. Read 240.24a, 240.24b as in boy 1, 230.72c with exception, and 230.71. And notice there's been a big change in 230.71b when you look at that, and I believe that item along with 240.6 B and C. Notice if we lock the door, let's look at that first. Behind locked doors, accessible only to qualified persons in accordance with 240.6 B and C. A password is now required. Now you could have a key, swipe card, punch pad number, but we have to have a password for qualified people too, and that is determined by the facility owners and management. Now, say the door is not locked. You know, you could have access into it. Then if the adjustable items on the breaker are behind a lock cover or a cover screwed down, then you wouldn't have to lock the door. So all this is saying that a circuit breaker with adjustable settings, if they're behind bolted doors, locked doors, or a locked door to the room, then these adjustable settings are considered guarded. And you know, sometimes based upon the type of setting, you could make an adjustment to the setting and wouldn't have any instantaneous trip values at all. And after you got through performing a work task where you were protected by this setting, you would then reset it to have the instantaneous trip. So there's a lot of settings on some of these breakers, electronic breakers and so forth, that should be only messed with by qualified people, and that's what this figure 9-17 is illustrating.